Good morning, learners. Our subject for today is Math 5 for Quarter 3, Week 4. And our topic is identifying terms related to circle and drawing circles with different radii using a compass. In the most essential learning competencies, we have identified the terms related to a circle. Another is draws a circle with different radii using a compass. Circles are everywhere. Some of the real-world examples of real-shaped objects are the sites around the following. We have the wheel of a bicycle, coin, dinner plate, wall clock, and Ferris wheel. Therefore, a circle is an important shape in the field of geometry. What is a circle? A circle is a round-shaped figure that has no corners or edges. In geometry, a circle can be defined as a closed, two-dimensional curved shape. A circle is a basic two-dimensional shape which is measured in terms of its radius. The different parts of a circle are explained below in detail. A circle is the set of all points in a shape with the name distance from a certain point, and this point is called the center of the circle. Like the following figures. Let us now refer to the figure below. So we have A is the center and the name of the circle is circle A. And we have chord is a line segment joining 2 points on the circle. In circle A, segments C and E and B and G are chords. Let us now discuss diameter. So diameter is a chord that connects 2 points on the circle. Every diameter is a chord. In circle A, segment BF is a diameter. The diameter goes straight across the circle through the center. Okay, so another term related to circle is the radius. So radius is a line segment from the center of the circle to any point on the circle. The radius of a circle is 1/2 the diameter. In circle A, segments AB, AF, and AD and AH are radii. Radii is the plural form of radius. Okay, so another term related to circles is the central angle. So central angle is an angle formed by 2 radii. So in circle A, we have angle BAD Another is angle BAH and angle HAF. They are examples of central angles. Okay, so sila ay central angle dahil ang pinaka-vertex nila ng angle na yan ay yung pinaka-gitna ng circle. Another term related to a circle is inscribed angle. So inscribed angle is an angle whose vertex is on the circle. In circle A, angle FBG is an inscribed angle. So meaning yung pinaka-vertex niya ay nasa circle. Unlike yung central angle na ang vertex ay nasa gitna ng circle. Okay, so another term related to circle is the circumference. The circumference is the distance around the circle. So yan yung distansya sa buong circle, sa palibot ng circle. So ang formula that we can use in finding the circumference is C is equals to 2 pi r. And another is C is equals to 2 pi d, and d is the diameter. Now, how to draw a circle? A compass is an instrument used in drawing circles. Now, there are steps to follow in drawing a circle using a compass. So, the first, insert a sharp pencil into the holder of the compass. Another, open the compass to the radius desired for your circle. The radius is the distance from the center point of the circle to the outer edge. So, kayo na ang bahala kung gaano kalaking circle ang gusto ninyong i-drawing. Next, we have place the compass point on a piece of paper where you would like the center point of the circle to be. Then we have place the point of the pencil on the paper. And number 5, rotate the compass to mark a circle on the paper with the pencil. Draw without lifting the point of the compass off the paper. Now, there are other ways to draw a circle. So first, we have using a string. So maaari tayong gumamit ng string and then yung pencil sa kabilang dulo. And then, ang gagawin lang natin is hawakan lang natin yung string and then saka natin ipaikot yung pencil. Another one is tracing the circle. Okay, so maaari tayong gumamit ng kung anumang bagay na maaari nating matrace para makabuo tayo ng circle. So maaring yung baso, maaring plate, maaring tape, so whatever materials that you can use para matrace natin yung circle. Another is using a protractor. Okay. So, yung protractor is half of a circle. So, maaari natin siyang gamitin para makabuo tayo ng circle. Another one is using a pin and a rubber band. So, yung Maaari natin gamitin yung push pin. So ilalagay natin, isisingit natin yung rubber band and then yung pencil sa kabilang dulo. And then that's it. Pwede na nating iikot yung pencil para makabuo tayo ng circle. And then, last one we have also drawing a circle with your hand. Of course, maaari tayong makagamit or makapag-drawing ng circle using our hands. Kahit hindi ganon kabilog yung ating drawing. Now, for the development part, for learning task 1, the figure at the right is a circle with center at M. Name the following. So we have center number 1, number 2, 4 radii, number 3 diameter, number 4 at least 2 central angles, number 5 inscribed angles, and number 6 rather, 2 chords. Okay, so let us now have the answer for learning task 1. So for number 1, the center is M. For number 2, we have 4 radii. So we have line segment MI, line segment MA, line segment MT, and line segment MH. And for number 3, for the diameter, the answer is IH, line segment. Number 4, at least 2 central angles. So we have angle AMT, angle IMA. And for the inscribed angle, we have angle HIE. For the 2 chords, number 6, we have line segment CT and line segment IE. Now for learning task 2, construct a circle with a radius of 6 centimeters. So here are the steps. Number 1, name the center of the circle point A. Number 2, using a ruler, draw line segment BC whose endpoints are on the circle passing through the center. Number 3, draw another line segment DE whose endpoints are on the circle and passing through the center again. Number 4, construct segments whose one point is the center A and the other point is on the circle. Number 5, name the segments as AF and AG. Okay, so maaari niya gawin. Okay, for the engagement, for learning task 3, write true if the statement is correct. If not, write false. So for number 1, the diameter of the circle is twice the length of the radius. Number 2, the longest chord in a circle is the diameter. Number 3, if a radius measures 12 cm, then the measures of the diameter is 6 cm. Number 4, the length of every chord in a circle is always greater than the length of a radius. Number 5, the vertex of the central angle is the center of the circle. And number 6, the vertex of an inscribed angle is any point inside the circle. Number 7, we can draw circles with different sizes but the same center. Number 8, a line and a circle can intersect in just one point. Number 9, every diameter intersects the circle in exactly 2 points. And number 10, a circle is labeled by its center point. Okay, so let us now have the answer for learning task 3. For number 1, the answer is true. Number 2, the answer is true. Number 3, if your answer is false, you are correct. Number 4, the answer is also false. And number 5, the answer is true. Number 6, if your answer is false, you are correct. Number 7, if your answer is true, then you are correct. Number 8, the answer is also true. Number 9, the answer is false. And number 10, if your answer is true, then you are correct. For learning task 4, use a compass to draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Follow the 3 easy steps. So for the step 1, use a ruler to set the distance from the point of the compass to the pencil's lead at 4 cm. And for step 2, place the point of the compass at the center of the circle. And for the last step, step 3, draw the circle by turning the compass through 360 degrees. For the assimilation learning task 5, identify each element. So we have 3 figures. So for the first figure, ginawa ko na po yung first figure, and then you will answer the second and the third figure. So the question is, for first figure, the circle. So the circle is C. And the diameter, what is the diameter of the first illustration? So we have line segments RB. And then we have the radius. So again, we have 3 radii, because radii is the plural form of radius. So we have line segment CR, line segment CB, and line segment CE. Now you will do the illustration number 2 and number 3. Okay, so another activity. So we have letter A, construct a circle using a compass. So we have 1, radius is 10 centimeter. For number 2, with center O. Number 3, with radii OP and OQ. Number 4, with the diameter of PQ and with chord PR. And for letter B, follow this instruction to draw the beautiful pattern shown below. So make sure your pencil is sharp, then place it in a compass. Number 2, set the radius to 4 cm. Draw a circle at the center of your page. Okay, important reminder, your radius must stay the same for the whole activity. So for number 3, put your compass point anywhere on the circle edge. Draw another circle. This circle should pass through the center of your first circle. They have the same radius. Number 4, your second circle cuts the first circle at 2 points. Choose one of these points. Place your compass point at this point and draw another circle of radius 4 cm. So for number 3, repeat step 3 with your third circle, fourth circle, etc. You should end up with 6 circles on your first circle. That is 7 circles in total. So number 6, decorate it as you please. You can decorate your pattern further by adding more circles for joining points with straight lines, and so on. See what patterns and shape you can discover among all the circles. Okay, you can use this rubric as your guide. So we have on task. I used my time well. I was focused and on task. For the composition, the art elements are balanced and work well together. And we have also creativity. My work is unique and shows my own ideas. I was creative. And then we have the work quality. My art is carefully made. I paid attention to details. So you will get 4 for an excellent, 3 satisfactory, and then 2 good, and 1 needs improvement. So you will submit your output. For the reflection, write your personal insights about the lesson in your notebook using the prompts below. I understand that I realized that I need to learn more about blank. And that concludes our topic about identifying terms related to circle and drawing circles with different radii using a compass. Thank you very much, and God bless everyone.